and welcome to Miss Cell Creations. We are doing another skull piece with a medallion in it, with a challenge coin in it. And this one is for the Wichita Police Bomb Squad, and I'll put a picture of it here front and back. And these are super exciting to do, but they're also absolutely terrifying. You do not want to mess up on one of these. I've just mixed up about 2 ounces of resin here, and I ran it through the debubbler to get all of the bubbles out. And I have on a super squeaky clean pair of gloves because I do not want anything happening to this. And I want to make sure this time on this coin that when I put the coin underneath that I can see resin all the way around. And that just assures me that I'm going to get, none of this coin is going to touch the outside of the skull. So last time I had just a smidgen, you could just barely feel the outside of the coin, and I don't want to feel any of that. So I'm just going to coat that real well. And then I got a little bit of left over here. I'll find something to put it in, and we will be back once this is mostly cured. Now that our first layer is mostly cured, what we want to do now is I want to take, and I've mixed up 6 more ounces, and getting ahead of myself here. We need to make sure we clean this really, really well with some alcohol. I'm going to get a clean paper towel because I don't want any imperfections in this. None. So we're just going to give it a little squirt of alcohol on both sides. Make sure we get it clean, 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 clean. You don't want any residue from anything. You don't want any dust. You don't want any oils from your hands, anything on there that's going to cause an issue with that. And then he wants it black side down, so we want to make sure it reads like this as you're looking at the skull. So we're going to flip it exactly over. So I'm going to take our popsicle stick and some of the resin we just mixed up, and I'm going to just give this, I am just going to give this, oy, this is so nerve-wracking. I don't know if I want to do orders or not. I mean, what an honor, but good heavens, this is nerve-wracking. We're going to go ahead and just put some resin on the top of this just to keep any bubbles from forming, hopefully on the face of this when it goes into the resin. Get nice and coated. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and pour resin down into the skull. And I'm going to take our coin and flip it upside down and into the skull. And then I'm just going to hold this up so you're going to be out of view for just a minute because it looks like it went crooked. I don't want it crooked. Alright, I'm going to take a peeky peek, and then I'm putting it on this nail file just so that it'll push that coin to the front of the skull a little bit. Look at it one more time. Okay, looks great. We're going to add the rest of our resin and then put in our flag. And then we're going to continue layering it just like this until it's full. Now we're just going to stick this in behind it. And I did find last time that it just works easier if you use your hands, but I'm going to use my popsicle stick just to get it down in there. And then I'll use my hand to put it where I want it. We've mixed up 10 more ounces, and we're just going to keep adding until we get this thing full. We want to be super careful and monitor any air bubbles that might come up underneath of our flag. You sure don't want a big old air bubble underneath of there. Luckily, we can see through the flag, so we should be able to see those before they become a problem. Every layer we are adding our Unicone Art Crushed Crystal, as well as our Marabou alcohol ink. And the layer prior to the one that we are pouring, has cured most of the way. I can just barely put a utensil through the resin. So it's like a softball stage, if you will. That way we don't have any, when it cures that way, when it's a wet layer on a wet layer on a wet layer, you don't see the lines in between the layers. We're just pouring this super duper slow. And then we'll come back and do the last layer, and then we will unmold it and see what we got.
Heroes walk among us every day, quiet strength in every step they take. We're standing tall so others feel safe.
Whew, here we go. No pressure. Unlike the last skull that I did with the challenge coin in it, this is a one of a kind, or it's the only one he has. The last one I did, he's like, it's no big deal if you ruin it. I've got several. That was not the case with this one, so I'm feeling a little bit more pressure here today. Those teefers out of there. And it's just easiest if you get it started just to roll it. Scary. Give me 1 second to get it started. Here we go. There we go. You just start the roll. And if you get it off of the face, then you have that much more wiggle room. You can also spray soapy water down in there. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Come out of the eye sockets and the nose. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Let me turn my mold right side out. Oh man, that is wicked. I didn't want a chance damaging the coin by drilling down to the bubble and trying to fill it in, so off I went to my husband's auto shop where we performed a lobotomy and removed the coin so I could start the process over again.
Heroes walk among us every day, quiet strength in every step they take. We're standing tall so others feel safe. From mass sale creations, we say thank you for the courage and the work you do. Every badge, every call, every sacrifice made to the heroes in every line. We're grateful today.
There are no bubbles on our flag. I have some trimming to do around the bottom, which is fine. You have no idea how much I worried about this piece. I have one piece of advice for anyone attempting a project like this: patience and determination. Do not give up on a piece that may seem hopeless. Take a step back, take a breath, and figure out a plan B. Your name is on the line. They trust us to make something amazing from something they treasure, and it's our job to see it through. This was nerve-wracking, but what an honor, and I am so proud of myself for seeing this through and giving them something that worked so hard to produce. Thank you for allowing me that, and I look forward to the next one. Just give me a few days for my blood pressure to get back in check. All right, thanks guys so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And I guess until next time, oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe. It's free for you and it helps us a ton. And until next time, I'm gonna go take a nap. We'll see you guys later. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Heroes walk among us every day. Quiet strength in every step they take.